Surprise!
What's this?
If you're tuning into the new season of your favorite Canadian show, you'd never know it was shot under COVID conditions.
Everybody had to be more focused. We had to do our own touches. We had to do our own props.
Murdoch Mysteries was one of the first shows back behind the camera.
The potential for failure was there, and certainly we felt it. Just pull back to here.
Behind the scenes, crews adapted to the new layers and precautions.
Having plastic all around us and having to wipe everything down in between people, it added like a good 10 minutes to every makeup that was done in my chair.
We're gonna check.
Testing and distance kept outbreaks at bay, but there was another factor.
It's exhaustive. It is. And I understand the frontline workers do it all the time. I don't know that they get any more used to it than we ever will.
On his movie sets, this producer created a new position to help cast and crew deal with stress, but without insurance for outbreaks, his own anxiety remained high.
Every time the phone rang, I was like, is there a COVID incident? Is somebody sick? Is what's going on, right? Are we going to have to shut down?
While he debates whether to move forward on his future projects.
It's an ongoing question of, what is our moral responsibility? Should we be bringing people back to work, or should we be waiting for the numbers to start going down?
But he better decide soon. With the virus raging in California and shutting down parts of Hollywood, productions are racing north and business is booming in Ontario and BC.
The phone hasn't stopped ringing. There's a tremendous amount of calls coming in for studio space. That's why we expanded to the airport facilities. We needed more space.
Detective Murdoch.
He's a detective.
The competition for resources is putting some Canadian productions at a disadvantage. But as the pandemic stretches on, one thing hasn't changed.
The need for entertainment, it's the need for something to watch and for content. Certainly our voices on our screens.
I'm not a little scared.
Providing entertainment and escape when audiences need it most. Eli Glasner, CBC News, Toronto.